Tim with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we're on a LG washing machine that is squealing. So what we're going to do is run it through its diagnostic tests, and the way to do that is to have it in the idle mode with nothing on, and then to hit the soil level and spin speed at the same time, and then hit the power button. And right here it'll it'll flash the code to tell it what machine it is, and then we'll hit the start button once. It immediately it locks the door, turns on the drain pump, and starts to tumble. And then if we want to advance through the steps, we'll hit the start button again. You have to wait. So right now we're in our low speed spin, and the display shows the RPMs. So we're going to hit the start button again to advance it, and now it's going to go into a high speed spin, and we can watch the RPMs start to raise. For most squealing sounds, this is where you would hear your squealing. So right now we have achieved our highest RPMs on the high-speed spin, and I don't hear any noise right now. We're going to advance it again. What this one should do is turn on the pre-wash inlet valve. And that's only going to happen when the RPMs go down enough to advance to the next step. And as we continue on through the steps, we'll be checking all the different valves for your hot water, bleach, softener, and pre-wash. We'll also check the heater, the circulation pump, and the drain pump. So right now it's just settling down, and we're waiting to advance to the next level on our diagnostics. So far everything sounds pretty good. And now our drum has stopped, and we're filling through the pre-wash. We're going to advance and fill through the main wash. Advance it one more time for the softener, and through this little cover we can see where the water is flowing. So as we advance through our steps and turning on the different valves that fill the unit, we just lift up our cover here and can see where where the different valves are opening and closing. And right now we're filling up our softener. The next one we'll have our bleach, and we have water coming through there, so all the different valves are working. The next step is it's gonna tumble counterclockwise, and it's doing that. The next step on our diagnostics is turning the heater on. That's something that you would have to get down there to make sure it's happening. But now we're going to turn on our circulation pump. This is another point where you could get some noise. And if we look in the front, we can not only hear the circulation pump going, but you can see the water actually circulating through the front. And everything sounds normal there. So the next step, we'll advance to turn the drain pump on, and we can everything in the drain pump sounds normal. You can hear the water going out into the drain. You can actually see it disappearing quickly, and that basically runs through all the steps on here. The last step in the diagnostics will unlock the door, and so currently we find no issues with this washing machine. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.